Hello, everybody. How are you today? I am fine. It's a sunny day. So, what day? It's sunny, but what day is it? Can you tell me? It's almost the end of the week. And yes, it's the end of the school week. Tomorrow is the start of the weekend. So, what's the day? You tell me. Very good. It's Friday. Okay, so what do we do on Fridays? You think, one moment. Because on Wednesdays, what did we do? We learned 2 new letter sounds. Do you remember? We did our introduction lesson, and then we also did the sound book lesson. So today, what do we do to check our understanding of the 2 new letter sounds? We do a dictation. Very good. So today we will be doing that. So now, do you remember these 2 clowns? Very good. The clown on the left, who is a naughty clown. He's rude. He makes the noise. Do you see? He makes the letter sound with his tongue a little bit out, as in this. Okay. The other clown, who is very, very rude and naughty, makes the noise with his tongue way out, like the word thumb. And here you can see the way we pronounce these sounds. On the left, our tongue is out a little bit, as in this. And on the right, our tongue is out a lot, as in the word thumb. Here you go. I will show you again the 2 pronunciations, the position of the tongue in the mouth of these 2 digraphs. Okay, everyone. Now, I don't like to, and it's not polite to put our tongue out, but we are just doing this to show you how these sounds are produced, okay? So everyone pay attention and watch me. Now, do you see the voiced sound? My tongue is like this in the word this, okay? It's out only a little bit. In the unvoiced pronunciation, the tongue is way out of my mouth, as in the word thud. Okay, can you practice this? So this and thud. Okay, good job, everybody. This is the Jolly Phonics song. Listen and sing along.
This. Three.
Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the?
Okay, everyone, so now to make sure that we understand these new letter sounds, we are going to do a dictation. Okay, so let's begin to get the materials that we need. Here we go. We need a clean page in a notebook or just a simple piece of paper and a pencil. All right, and I am going to say the 16 words, each word 3 times, and you are going to write them. Okay, please leave 1 space between each word. Oh, and don't forget to write your name and the word dictation at the top of the page. Okay, so you guys get everything that you need now and get ready to begin. Oh, something really important that I forgot to tell you, but we always do this. Of course, at the first words, we are going to review words that we have already learned. So there are going to be words with the sh sound. There are going to be words with a ch sound. There are going to be words with a x sound. There are going to be words with a ya sound, and perhaps a word with the moon sound, and a word with the cook sound, and maybe also a word with the van sound. Okay, everybody, let's begin the dictation with the review words. Word number 1 is shampoo. Shampoo. I shampoo my hair in the morning. Word number 2 is lunch. 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 I eat my lunch at 1 o'clock. Word number 3 is expect. 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 I'm expecting some visitors. Word number 4 is yank. 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 I yanked the cart into the kitchen. It was all full of vegetables and food. I had brought it to the supermarket. Word number 5 is spoon. 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 I use a spoon to eat my ice cream. And word number 6 is velvet. Velvet. Velvet is a very smooth and luscious material. Okay, very good, everyone. So now let's move on to the voiced sounds. Are you ready? Number 1 is the word them. 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 Very good. Number 2 is the word smooth. 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 Word number 3 is the word with. 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 Word number 4 is the word this. 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 And word number 5 is that. 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 Everybody observe my tongue. Okay. Now we're going to look at, listen to, and write unvoiced thumb letter sounds words. The first is tooth. 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 My tooth hurts today. Number 2 is cloth. 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 Okay, of course, everyone, I'm exaggerating a little bit because I want you to understand the pronunciation. We don't normally put our tongue out of our mouth. We're just doing this for practice. And then it will come naturally to you. Okay. The next word is thud. 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 Very good. The next word is thick. 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 And our final word is thank. 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 Thank you very much. Okay, now let's look at the correct spelling of the first 6 review words. So, shampoo, lunch, expect, yank, spoon, and velvet. Voiced pronunciation, this. Now let's look at the 5 voiced sound words. them, smooth, with, this, that. Unvoiced pronunciation, thumb. Now let's look at the 5 unvoiced sound words. Tooth, cloth, thud, thick, and thank. Okay, guys, so I know you all did a really good job. And remember, even if we make a few mistakes, it's fine, because by making mistakes, we learn where we need to improve, okay? So it is totally normal. You can review the video at any time that you like. Do the dictation again if you like, okay? Okay, kids, so the lesson for today is finished. And remember to conserve this dictation in a plastic envelope or in your notebook, because when I see you soon, I am going to check everything. So we conserve all of these dictations. And remember how nice it is to be able to review these videos. We're sort of making a collection of videos that we can keep and review at any time. Okay, so the time has come to say goodbye to me and Inky, and we will see you all really soon for another jolly lesson. Bye-bye, guys.